Hello, Terry. Are you okay? What's wrong? I think Terry is sad. Why are you sad, Terry? I think Terry is sad because he's hungry. No? I think Terry is sad because he has no friends. No? Why are you sad, Terry? Oh. Terry is sad because he's lost his teddy bear. I can help. Let me look. Is this your teddy bear? Here you are. Oh, he likes his teddy bear. I think Terry is happy because he has his teddy bear. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. I'm glad you're very happy.